Yo, what's up everyone, it's Mugus, and things are about to get seriously futuristic up in here. We're talking AI tools so powerful, so efficient, they could potentially replace an entire team of employees. And the craziest part? We're diving into 7 of these game changers that are completely free to use. We're talking everything from writing killer content and designing stunning websites to managing projects like a boss and crafting marketing materials that pop. These AI tools are about to be your secret weapons for streamlining your workflow, boosting productivity, and ultimately, getting more done in less time. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to dive into the future of work. Let's go. First up, we've got ChatGPT, the AI wordsmith that's taking the internet by storm. Need to whip up a blog post, craft engaging social media copy, or even write a full-blown script? ChatGPT's got you covered. But wait, there's more. This AI powerhouse can also handle customer support inquiries like a pro. Imagine having an AI assistant available 24/7 to answer questions, resolve issues, and keep your customers happy. And the best part? ChatGPT offers a free plan that gives you access to its impressive capabilities. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a small team, ChatGPT is here to revolutionize your workflow. Now let's take a closer look at this AI wizardry in action. Next up, we're diving into the world of AI-powered web design and CRM with Durable. This platform empowers you to create stunning websites and manage customer relationships seamlessly, all in one place. Imagine building a professional-looking website in minutes, complete with AI-generated copywriting and imagery. Durable makes it happen, but it doesn't stop there. This powerhouse also packs a punch with its built-in CRM, allowing you to track leads, manage contacts, and nurture customer relationships effortlessly. And guess what? Durable offers a free plan that gives you a taste of its incredible potential. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or entrepreneur, Durable is your secret weapon for building a thriving online presence. Now, let's talk project management, and that's where Taskade comes in. This AI-powered platform takes project management to a whole new level, streamlining your workflow and keeping your team on track. Taskade lets you create visual project boards, assign tasks, set deadlines, and collaborate with your team seamlessly. But here's the kicker. Taskade's AI assistant helps you automate tasks, schedule meetings, and even generate project reports, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most. And yes, you guessed it, Taskade offers a free plan that's perfect for teams of all sizes. Whether you're managing a small team or tackling complex projects, Taskade has your back. Say goodbye to boring slide decks. Gamma.app is here to revolutionize the way you present with its AI-powered presentation maker. Imagine transforming your ideas into visually captivating presentations with just a few clicks. Gamma.app makes it a breeze. This intuitive platform leverages AI to suggest layouts, generate design elements, and even recommend relevant content, making the presentation creation process a walk in the park. And the best part? Gamma.app offers a free plan that gives you access to its core features. Whether you're a student, professional, or educator, Gamma.app is your secret weapon for delivering presentations that captivate your audience. Calling all web developers, bloggers, and WordPress enthusiasts, 10Web is here to supercharge your website building experience with the power of AI. This innovative platform lets you create stunning, high-performing WordPress websites with ease, even if you have zero coding experience. Imagine having AI by your side, optimizing your website's design, performance, and SEO, while you focus on creating amazing content. 10Web offers a free plan that gives you a taste of its capabilities, making it the perfect choice for those starting their WordPress journey, or seasoned developers looking for an AI-powered edge. Ready to take your video marketing to the next level? Lumen 5 is your AI-powered video creation studio, empowering you to create engaging videos that captivate your audience. This intuitive platform makes video creation a breeze, even if you have zero video editing experience. Simply choose your desired video style, add your content, and let Lumen 5's AI work its magic. From automatically adding music and transitions to generating captions and optimizing your video for different platforms, Lumen 5 takes care of the technical heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on your message. And yes, Lumen 5 offers a free plan that gives you access to its core features, making it the perfect choice for content creators, marketers, and businesses of all sizes. Last but not least, let's talk branding, and that's where Looka comes in. This AI-powered platform makes it incredibly easy to create a professional brand identity, even if you have zero design experience. Looka's intuitive interface guides you through the logo design process, asking you questions about your brand, style preferences, and target audience. Based on your input, Looka's AI generates a variety of logo options, color palettes, and brand assets, allowing you to mix and match until you find the perfect look for your brand. And yes, Looka offers a free plan that lets you explore its features and even download a low-resolution version of your logo. Whether you're a startup founder, entrepreneur, or small business owner, Looka is your secret weapon for creating a brand identity that stands out from the crowd. So there you have it, folks. 7 incredible AI tools that are completely free to use. From writing captivating content and designing stunning websites to managing projects like a pro and creating engaging videos, these AI tools are revolutionizing the way we work. Which one blew your mind? Comment below. I'm curious to know which of these tools you're most excited to try. And hey, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and I'm always on the lookout for the latest and greatest tools to share with you. More AI tools coming next week that'll replace your boss. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Until next time, peace out.